Do you want to download videos in high quality from Vimeo? In this video, I will show you how to choose high quality download options on Vimeo step by step so you can enjoy videos offline with the best possible resolution. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to Vimeo app. Then you will go to above on the sign of profile. Then here in this page, you will click on data usage. You will tap on data usage. And after that, here on data usage, you will find this sign. You will find here allow HD downloads. So you will click. And when you click here, then you can know how to enable this feature of allow HD downloads. And also here in this page of streaming quality, you can manage your quality of your streamings in this window. So that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your time.